Well, the website I use is blogger.com. Once you finally make your URL and set it up, you'll get to this screen. Next, you want to click theme. This is where you'll choose which kind of theme you want for your website. Once you got your theme picked out, you go to customize. Then you could go down here. First thing you need to do, you can go to layout, and then this is where you pick like what type of layout you want. There's like a bunch of different choices to choose. This is the one that I use for Indigenous Diva. Once you pick your layout out, you could go to adjust widths. This changes like the size of your blog. You could make the middle blog part where your post bigger. You can make it smaller. So you can make the left bigger or smaller, the right again bigger or smaller. It just depends on what you're looking for. Okay, so on advanced, this is where you change all your fonts and the color of it, and it's kind of like you set the theme for your blog and like how it's gonna look. When you go to layout, this is where you add everything into your blog and all the cutesy stuff, and then these are where your gadgets are. The gadgets are the links, the pictures, the profile, everything you add into your blog. For example, if you want to add an image, you easily just click image. You do upload from computer. We'll just do this picture. Okay, so now we're gonna add this picture to my blog. So this one might be a little bit bigger for my blog. So you could do shrink to fit. This should fit into your little side thing. So you click save. This is what it looks like with my image on here. If you're interested in adding like a playlist or your Spotify music to it, all you have to do is go on Spotify, get the playlist you want to do. Once you have the playlist you want to have on your account, you then click the three dots. You go down to share. You click embed playlist. This should pop up on how it looks. You then go to copy. So now that it's copied, you go back to your blog layout. You go to add a gadget. You'll go to this one. Next, you could title it if you want. You don't have to. You then go and paste the code. Save it, and then you could go down here to the eye. This is like a preview. It will show you what your blog looks like. This is what your music should look like.